Here's how to fit the Quicklock Mount for your Frost Sekers saddle bag using a 4mm Allen key. First, undo the seat post quick release and remove the seat post from your bike. Place the saddle upside down on a table so that you can easily access the bolts on the saddle rails. Undo both bolts using a 4mm Allen key to remove the saddle from the seat post. Once removed, place the horseshoe-shaped Quicklock part at the back of the saddle rails. Then place the second Quicklock part with the locking mechanism on top. Slide the seat post back onto the saddle rails over both pieces of the Quicklock mount, making sure that the numbers on the seat post are pointing to the rear of the saddle. Position the saddle rail clamps so that they hug the saddle rails. Once you're happy with the positioning, tighten both bolts. Reinsert the seat post into your Flit 16, then simply slide the metal fixing on your Frost Sekers bag into the Quicklock mount. Please note that the maximum load of the bag is 4 kilograms.